Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Kids Watch is designed as a comprehensive smartwatch solution that balances fun, communication, safety, and parental peace of mind, all wrapped in a design that clearly targets younger users. From the moment you look at it, the watch stands out thanks to its unique 8-sided frame and playful flip-up camera mechanism. This rotating camera design is not just a visual gimmick, but a functional feature that allows children to easily switch between front and rear cameras, making selfies, video calls, and casual photo capture feel more interactive and engaging, especially with the added animated effects built into the interface. Photography and video calling are central to the experience, with a 5-megapixel front camera dedicated to selfies and video chats, while an 8-megapixel rear camera is used to capture everyday moments. On the front, the watch features a 1.75-inch display with a sharp 390 by 450 pixel resolution. The screen is bright, colorful, and easy to read, making it well-suited for both indoor and outdoor use. Under the hood, the watch is equipped with 1 gig of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage, providing enough performance headroom for smooth navigation, communication features, and storing photos, voice messages, and apps. Battery life is another area where Xiaomi has clearly focused on practicality. The built-in 740 mAh battery is designed to last through a full day of typical use, and when power runs low, fast charging ensures minimal downtime. With 20 meters of water resistance, the watch can handle hand washing, rain, and everyday splashes without issue, making it suitable for active kids. Safety and location tracking are core strengths of the Xiaomi Kids Watch. It supports multiple global satellite systems, including GPS, allowing for more accurate and reliable positioning. Xiaomi goes a step further with AI-enhanced floor-level positioning, which can identify not only the building a child is in, but also the specific floor. This is particularly useful in malls, schools, or apartment complexes. Parents also benefit from features such as geofencing, school arrival notifications, detailed location history, and a one-touch SOS function that allows a child to quickly contact guardians in an emergency. Communication features are thoughtfully tailored for children. The watch supports voice calls, video calls, and voice messages, as well as child-friendly versions of popular platforms. These versions are designed to limit exposure while still allowing kids to stay in touch with approved contacts. NFC support adds everyday convenience, enabling transport cards, access cards, and compatibility with certain smart door locks. Health and activity tracking are also part of the package. The watch can monitor heart rate and mood, giving parents additional insight into their child's well-being. A dedicated sports system includes 18 activity types, encouraging regular movement and healthy habits. An especially thoughtful feature is automatic alerts when a child enters a water-prone area, adding an extra layer of safety during outdoor play or trips. Durability and privacy are clearly taken seriously. Xiaomi states that the watch has passed more than 170 quality and safety tests to ensure it can withstand daily wear and the rougher handling typical of children. Overall, the Xiaomi Kids Watch presents itself as a well-rounded, thoughtfully designed smartwatch for children, combining engaging design, strong safety features, reliable communication tools, and robust privacy protections. It is clearly aimed at parents who want to stay connected with their children while giving them a sense of independence, all within a controlled and secure digital environment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.